everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Danielle LaRocca and I do special effects, body paint, and makeup here on my channel. In today's video, I thought I would do a camera ready cosmetics haul for you guys. I don't know if I have even mentioned this in my social media or whatever, but I am starting to do makeup professionally and I'm starting to take clients. So the big part of that is building my kit. And so I'm going to be doing a series of videos for you guys just in case some of you out there are also looking to be doing makeup as a freelancer or maybe perhaps just adding some things to your kit. But I wanted to go over what I ordered from the website because it is a makeup professional website. And I'm gonna unbox my order for you guys, let you know what I got, the prices. I'll put everything in my description box below. So throughout this video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. There's something on here for everybody and I would love it for you to join my family. Also, my social media is right here and I will also link it in my description box for you guys in this video. All right, so let's hop into it. Okay, so what I love about Camera Ready Cosmetics is it is a site for professionals. And I am also in the process of going to school. I put myself in special effects school and I am almost certified. So with a certification, you will get a pro card. So a pro card is like an industry discount card and it works on some brands. And I know that Camera Ready Cosmetics does have that feature as well. I don't have my pro card yet. So keep in mind everything in this video I purchased myself. There's tax. It's very expensive to build your kit. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It's very expensive. But what I love about the site is they have everything that beauty professionals need. So we're just going to hop right on to it. So the first product I got is this. This is the Embryolisse Lait-creme. I think I'm pronouncing that right. So this is a moisturizer. You can use it as a base, and pretty much I've been doing my research, and a lot of film industry and TV industry professionals use this on their talent. So I wanted to get this as well. I don't want to open it because I want to keep everything as sanitary as possible since this is going into my makeup kit, and I will be doing a video after this one of, I'm sorry, my washing machine is on in the background, so if you can hear that, I'm so sorry. I'm doing laundry. I will have more videos about my kit, how I build my kit, what I'm putting into it. That's going to be the next video, where I got my actual big case. And then I will be doing some depotting and depanning videos for you guys and how I'm going to be setting all that up and sanitizing everything. So keep watching and it's going to be really cool. But so this is the first product I got that's going to go in my kit. And this product retails for $16. The next thing I have that I bought for my kit is something that I think every professional needs, whether you're a hairstylist, a makeup artist, whatever it may be, a nail tech. So I got this. This is the Dain Whispering Styling Cape, and I got it in black. I wanted a cape just because I wanted to be able to keep the client's clothes clean, and if I spill anything, it goes on the cape, and it is like this kind of fabric, so it is easy to wash and wipe off. So this product retails for $12.95. So the next product I got for my kit, you can literally find anywhere, but since I was shopping online, I figured I would just get one there because I didn't want to use my own personal one, just again for hygiene and sanitation purposes. So I bought a pencil sharpener. This is from Nye. I really love Nye as a special effects brand, and this pencil sharpener retails for $8. Again, you can find cheaper ones, which I probably should have done, but now I know for next time I'll just pick one up at Target or Walmart or the Dollar Tree or whatever. But so this little guy was $8. Okay, the next thing I got in my kit that was really important for me to have, and I've heard really great things about this, is I got the Z palette. So I actually got 3 of these. These are magnetic palettes, and I think they hold about 20 pans. It comes with 10 magnetic sticker rounds and then 10 magnetic sticker squares, which is great. I don't think I'm gonna need those because I'm gonna de-pan a lot of my eyeshadows. So again, stay tuned for that future video because I will be doing that for you guys as well. But what I really loved about this palette in particular, I've researched high and low on Amazon, trust me, and I couldn't find anything like this that had a clear see-through cover. And the reason why I want to do that is because when I start to de-pan my own personal eyeshadows, I want to be able to take my label maker and type out what the shades are, and then I wanted to actually make a label and label the palettes individually. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do it yet. I think I might do a neutrals palette, maybe for deeper skin tone, medium, and light skin tones, or I might just do one palette all for neutral, just every shade range for skin tones, and then I might have like all colors, maybe like a pinks for bridal. We'll see. I'm gonna go more into that in another video and think about it. But so these retail for $22 each. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my notes over on the side. These are each $22. So keep in mind they are a little bit pricey, but I think they're gonna be worth it. The next 2 items I got on the website is, I believe the brand is called Zuka, but I got 2 of these see-through cosmetic bags. So this one is a small size, and I like it again because it's see-through, and it's just like a basic cosmetic bag, and I want to be able to see the tools and things that I put in here so that I'm not flustered when I'm with the client, and I can just easily see what I need that I have to work with. So they'll fit in these. So this is the small one, and the small size runs for $15.25. And then I got the large case, and this one is $18. So I wanted to start off with 2, and then eventually, once I have more money, I want to invest in the Zuka. It's like a roller bag, and it's approved for flights, like going on airplanes, and you can just shove, I think you can fit like 5 or 6 of these inside the roller case. It's like a train case. You can just shove all these in there, zip it up, and then roll off to wherever you need to go. And then I also have my actual makeup case. It's like a briefcase kind of thing, and I'll show you that in another video. But so this video is just for what I ordered off of Camera Ready Cosmetics. Okay, and then the last items, and one of the most important items I got, before I tell you what those are, I have been watching a YouTuber. I don't think she uploads to her channel anymore, but her name is Angie D. Bautista, and she is a makeup artist, and she works in the film and TV industry, and I have been binge watching her videos. I think she's very informative. I won't watch anybody else. I think she's amazing. I think she covers everything perfectly, and she recommended this brand, and I use this brand too for special effects, but I've never actually tried it for foundation. So that's what it is. And so I bought 4 different foundations from Cinema Secrets. I love Cinema Secret. It's one of my favorite brands to use for special effects, and in particular, my favorite product is their fast drying brush cleaner. I have a huge bottle sitting on my makeup desk right now, and you better believe I'm gonna depot that and use it for my makeup kit. So I basically wanted to get all of the shades that she recommended. There's one video that she made where she talks about Cinema Secrets, and then she listed in her description all of the shades and palettes that she uses in her kit. So I just ordered all of them. These are $40 each. It's kind of pricey. So I got the 100 series, which this one is for deep red skin tones. That's what that looks like. Again, I don't want to open them because I want to keep everything as hygienic as possible. So this was the 100 series. The next one I got was the 200 series. And this one is for medium to deep golden olive undertones. I'm not good. You can kind of peek and see what those colors are. And then I have the 300 series, which this one is light to medium yellow beige undertones. That's what those look like. This one is the 500A. And this is for light to medium pink beige undertones. So I feel like pretty much with all of these different shade ranges, I have pretty much every skin tone covered. With that being said, being a special effects and body painter person, I know how to mix colors and I understand color theory, and I used to use the color wheel in high school, like when I was in art class, so I understand how to mix and match colors. That's what's great about this, is you can, you know, mix and match these on a palette and then match your client's skin tone. So that is everything that I have in this box, and I wanted to let you know how much I actually spent on all this stuff. So this all costed me $322.88. It is not cheap to build a kit. I'm gonna get into that in the next video. I did shop a lot at the Dollar Tree. My washing machine is going off. I did actually shop a lot at the Dollar Tree for certain things, and I'm gonna tell you in another video like what I got and what to include in my kit, or what I'm gonna include in my kit. So I really hope you liked this video. I hope you found it a little bit informative. I know it's something a little bit different, but I wanted to kind of take you guys along on my journey of starting a professional makeup business myself. So yeah, it's a journey for sure. It's not easy, and hopefully I will be able to make videos for you guys along the way to kind of help you guys out, let you know what works for me, what doesn't work for me, how I'm doing things, and yeah. So if you like this video again, and you've made it all the way through, please give me a thumbs up. I would love to hear your guys' comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.